Hi, this is Yvette Francina from SearchSoftwareQuality.com here with Jason Huggins, the co-creator of Selenium and the co-founder and CTO of Sauce Labs. Tell us first, what is Sauce Labs?
So from a what and a how point of view, Sauce Labs is browsers in the cloud, or Selenium in the cloud, but we're a little bit more than just Selenium. But we do test automation. You need access to browsers and mobile emulators, things like that. We do that as a cloud service.
All right, and we're here at STPCon, and with this interesting contraption you had here, a robot. Tell us what this is all about.
Right, so this is something I call Bitbeam Bots, or I'm working on maybe a different name, maybe Phone Booth, I think. But the idea is to, kind of like the silly demo that I was kind of going for was to get a robot that can play Angry Birds on an iPhone. So I can kind of give you it's not wired up completely, so there's a little bit of irony here that this is an automated testing tool, but I'm going to manually mess with it. So I've got this little controller here that can, if I move it down, it can press the button. And anyway, that's the first part of it. There's a different video online that actually shows it actually playing Angry Birds. But now, I think to go back, I actually have to help it out a little bit. But there is a seriousness aspect to it, because for mobile, there's a whole bunch of problems with testing mobile. Especially these new devices are coming out, they don't often have testing SDKs. So there's kind of a very quick way that you can have some simple device that can kind of click buttons. You can kind of get some automation in place really quickly. There's a fancy academic word for that kind of testing called black box testing. And so that, I think, is kind of what it's at now. But then if you're in the testing world, you know, black box is fraught with peril and leads to brittle tests. So there's some improvements that I can make to this design. I don't have it there yet, but like one thing that's still in black box lane, I can put a little camera on here. And so right now it's very dumb. It's going to explicit coordinates and going and clicking on a button. And yeah, so that's black box. There's another thing to do in improvements. I might do something called gray box testing, where I'll talk to it over this USB cable, control it through the laptop, but then have the laptop say, okay, go ahead and click this button. So anyway, there's actually some fun lessons and ways to explain testing, but it's really just kind of a fun art project of sorts.
All right, cool. Well, thank you very much.
Thanks.